Hello everybody and welcome back to Atlan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix login failed in Crystal of Atlan. So if you're also facing that error that you're not able to log in into your account in Crystal of Atlan and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is what I did myself. I firstly closed the app and then I actually went into the settings app on my phone instead. So go into your settings app and in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now on this page, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage, as you can see. So I clicked on storage and then I just simply waited for this page to completely load all the apps in here. So I'm just going to keep waiting now and then scroll up like this until you can see the search bar up top and click on it. Search for Crystal and then click on Crystal of Atlan here. Then click on Offload App and once again Offload App. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds here and let it actually now load and then click on reinstall app, as you can see. Sometimes you have to click on it 2 times, by the way, but now you're just going to simply wait for your Crystal of Atlan app to completely update to its latest version. When it's done, go back into the app and try once again, and hopefully now it's going to be fixed for you as well.